Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So, right now, I'm in OKC area, headed to this auction, headed to this public auction. It's actually a public auction. I've been out in Ardmore. I've been really trying to get to, and see what kind. I just want to see what their prices is going for, man. You know what I'm saying, and see if this is a place that I can come and flip some whips at. It's actually a public auction out in El Reno, Oklahoma too. I went out there. Their cars is cool, you know what I'm saying, but like for a dealer can sell to that auction, but the public can't bid on dealer cars at that particular public auction. So it's an alright auction. So this particular auction, a dealer can run cars through, and public can bid on wholesaler dealers' cars or retail dealer, don't matter. Well, really wholesale, because I'm a wholesaler. But so I just want to see if I can bridge that gap. But I heard it's a pretty dope place, but it's only one way to find out, you know what I'm saying? And that's for us to pull up on our own, you know what I'm saying? So right now, like I said, I'm in the OKC area. We headed to this auction out in Ardmore, so let's get it. I'm almost there. It's pretty far from Tulsa area too, it's a little ride, but you gotta be willing, man. You gotta be willing to get it out here. You gotta be willing to travel. You gotta be willing to try to bridge them gaps, you know what I'm saying? You gotta try to come up with it, especially when you flipping these cars. That's kind of how I was in detailing, man. When it comes to the retail, like, man, I've been all over Oklahoma, man. I'll go do boats 3-4 hours out, I'm bringing that bread back, but like, I call it journeyman detailing. That's what I call it. But like, same with this auction game, man. It's like one big puzzle, man. People lazy. You know what I'm saying? Some people might not want to travel from Tulsa to OKC, or you know what I'm saying, to try to bridge that gap and see if they can get some cars sent down that way, or vice versa. So I'm gonna try to get some record. I'm gonna try to record, man. Hopefully they don't kick me out or no shit. But I mean, shit, we're gonna get this footage though on me, you hear me? So we on that road, so let's get it. Some of the windmills. Parts of Oklahoma. What's so crazy is this auction is the latest auction I ever heard started. It started at 7. I'm gonna be a little late, but it's like a 7 to 9:30, 10 o'clock auction type shit, which is pretty cool, I think. A night auction, so that's something new. Never went to a night auction, so, which I think personally is pretty cool, because say you clean a car or whatever, and you bring it, you had that thing hidden, and you bring it and run it through, you know what I'm saying? It's like a night auction with the lights on, you feel me? That's like a showcase, you feel me? Them lights be hitting at night, you feel me? So, maybe they might bring a little bit more money or something. Cars might look a little different, I don't know, but we're on our way. We've been doing about $1 the whole time, you dig? dang near $1. Just trying to get on here, you feel me? We out here too, boy. Pretty damn far for an auction, but you know how I ride, man. We gotta get it, man, because guess what? It ain't gonna be gave to you, and if you don't go, you ain't gonna never know. And if you don't bust these moves, ain't nobody gonna bust them for you. Always remember that. You know what I'm saying? Take matters into your own hands, see what you can get into. But we almost there. Almost.
4100, Quattro Mil 4142, $4,200 any day with a two. I got it. Now 43. Now 44. $4,400 now 5. 45. Quattro Mil 45. 45. Got it. Now 46. $4,600. 4,567. $4,700 with 7 to buy. You get 47, sir. Quattro Mil 47. $4,600. 47 to buy and all in done. 4,600. 47 sold it your way. 4,600. Let's sell this. Oh, here we go. We're out driving. Green lights on 16.5. $15,000 to get able to be on about 15,000. Here's the owner of this car here. Well, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell it to have a recondition title. And if it don't have one, you don't own it. If it doesn't, it's got a clean title. That's what I wanted to know. And here we go. We're going to get 16 grand. $1. $15,000. You get everybody been on the buy. You get 14. There's John. $14,000. 14-1. You get everybody been on the buy. $13,000. 13-1. 2. You get everybody been buy. 13-1. 13-2. You're out, puppy. 13-2. 13-1. 13-2. 3. 13-3 to buy. You get there. You get 300. 13-2. You get there. You get 300. You get 3 to buy. Take it away. 13-2. 13-3 is off. You get there. You get 300. 13-2. 13-3. Nope. Take 16.5 and still for sale. Come on.
Hold on that thing. Probably the most chilled outside of the event. They drinking and shit. Hey.
This boat's been sitting out back for just a little while. It's been here like 2 years and it ran real good. You don't know about me. The guy that bought it wants to pay attention. Here we go. When we get one day, 3 days, we're going to go to like that shit. And until we get one day, we go down to the you know, things that pounds. $600. $500. You can have it with whole water. $500. $600. $300. $400. You can go about 300, 300, 400. $300. You get forward about 200. 2.5, take it away. $200. Now 50 to buy, but about 200. 2.5. $200. You get 50. You get 50 to buy, but about $200. 250, but about 2.5. I got 200 ahead of you. 250. All in done. $200. 2.5. We're gonna sell them, I guess. 200, 250. Oh my God. Now 3. 2.5. 3. Anybody get 3 to buy? Sold it. Your way 250. Hey, here's a 13 mile here and an Expedition. And we're going to get right in drive. Anybody can buy it. 6 grand $1. $5,000. You get their green lines on 5,100. $5,000. You get there with it on the buy. You get $5,100. 4,041. $4,000. Hitting it there. Where in the world have you been? $4,000. 41. Hitting it there. Going to be on the back. 4,100. Hit $4,000. How much? 35. You're in. 36. $3,500. $3,600. How many there? Getting it 35. 6, 7. 37 divided by 700. $3,600. 7. High. Now 7. Now high. 37.50. All in done. Sold your way on phone call. 3,700.
89,000 miles on it. Ram come out. What that Ram gonna go for? 4x4. 89,000 miles.
Green lights on right drive, 14 model 134 on the miles. And here we go, would have been again $15,000. $14,000 hitting it there, $12,000 hitting it there, would have been on the buy. Hit $12,000 one, hitting it there, would have been on the buy. $10,000 hitting it there, would have been on the buy. 10,000. Hit 10 1 the buy, would have been $10,000. 10 1 hitting it there, would have been on the buy. Hitting it there, $9 grand. You're in 91. Got it. 92, 93, 4, 5, 95, 6, 7. 97 to buy, hitting it there, would have been $700, $9,600. 97, right, drive that truck. 97 to buy, 96, 97. Sold it. Jose on the phone call. $9,600.
Phone call. 600. Floors, conditions, floors. What's the floor? 9,000 miles.
Hey, here's a 15 model here. 177 on the miles. Turn the green light on, right drive 7,500. $7,000. Hitting it there, would have been on the body. And $7,000 one. $6,000 hitting it in, would have been on to buy 61, 2, 3, 64, 5, would have been $600, would have been 7 to buy 67, 67, now 8, now 9, would have been 9 to buy 69, $7,000, now 71, hitting it in, would have been on to buy, would have been $7,100, is $7,000, now 1, hitting it there, Eugene, you're out, $7,100, $7,000, hitting it there, would have been on to buy, would have been 1, 1, 1, all in, done, 7,000. $7,100 individual going to buy would have been $7,000. $7,100 individual going to buy there, $7 grand there, 71. Oh, take 7,500. Silver sale.
That's going to LT. Reverse.
A ride drive 18 model here, 139 on the miles and sale. And here we go, would have been for down here, $15,000, $14,000, $12,000 hitting there, would have been on to buy. It's 12,000, 10, 10 1, hitting there, would have been on to buy, would have been $10,000. Hey, 10 1, hey, would have been on to buy, would have been 1, 1, 1, 9 grand, 9,100. $9,000 hitting there, would have been 91, 2, hitting there, 92 to buy 3, 4, 94, 5, hitting there, you're going to give 95, take it away. $9,400 hitting there and outside, 9,500. $9,400 hitting there, would have been 95 by anybody else around here. Sir, I got 94, what's the best you can do? 13. Green light ride and drive here, guys. 14 model 185 on the mile. Super ride and drive 6,500. $6,000. Hitting it there, would have been on the buy. Hitting it there, 5,051. $5,000. $4,000. Hitting it there, would have been on the buy. Hitting it there, $4,000. 4,100. Right and right. 41 to buy. Hitting it there, $4,000. 41. 35. 36. Got it. 7, 8. 38, 9. $3,900 would have been down to buy for this. Milled away. They see it. Those $3,900. $3,800 hitting it there, would have been down to buy, hitting it 3,900. 39, now 4,000. Got it, now 41. 41, now 2. 42, got it, now 43. Now 44. 44, I got 5. 4,500, half, and now 5. Now 50. Now 4,600. Now 7. 47. And number 7 to buy, you're out, gentlemen. 47. Now 8. 48. 40, got it, now 49, now $5,000, now 51, 5,100, 51, 5,100, 51, $5,000, hitting it there, better be doing to buy, $5,100, hitting it there, better be doing to buy, hitting it 5,150, hitting it 5,050, $5,000, hitting it there, 5,150, 5,050. $5,000 hitting it there, 50 to buy, and I have sold JJ $5,000. And green lights on here, gentlemen, ride and drive, 17 mile, 192 the miles. And what are we going to get? $5,000. 51, hitting it there, but if we don't want to buy it, there, 45, $4,000, $3,000, 31, got it, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39. $3,800 would have been out to buy place. Milled away by Seattle's. $3,900. $3,800 hitting there would have been out to buy. Would have been out 100. $3,900 all. $3,800. $3,900 would have been out. Nope, takes way more. Hey, green light, right, drive that truck, guys. It runs, drive, shift. It's got a fresh detail and a brand new windshield. You love everything about it. Here we go. 6,500. Green lights on. Ride and drive. Hitting it there. $5,000. Hitting it there. But if you don't want to buy, hitting it there. $4,000. Hit 41. Hitting it there. And then again. 2, 3. Hitting it there. 44, 45. Got it. And $4,600. Got it. And 7. Now 48. Got it. Now 49, sir. Now $5,000. Half. And now 5,000. 5,000. Got it. Now 50. $5,000, hitting it there, 50 to buy. Hit $5,000, it's got a fresh detail and a brand new windshield, $5,050. $5,000, hitting it there, 50. Joaquin, you're out, $5,000. $5,000, 50 to buy, and I have. You get $5,050, now 51, sir. Now 51 and a half, now 52. Now 52 and a half, 53. $5,300, hitting it there, 53 and a half. Sold it, 52.50.
Wait, Anderson, Crane, Jack.
Hey, green line ride and drive that truck. 16 model here. We're going to sell it as is, guys, but it is a good truck. This right out of service. Be as nice a rig as money can buy. I'd like to have 40,000, but I'm flexible. $30,000 hitting there. Where's JQ? $30,000 hitting there. 25. $25,000. 25. I got 20 grand. Now 21. Got it. 22. 23. 23 now. 4, 5. 25, 26, 25, 5, 26. 26, 5. $26,000. 26, 5. JQ, you're out. $26,000. 26, 5. Got all his money tied up in clothes. $26,000. 26, 5. $26,000. Hitting there, but 26, 5. Anybody else? $26,000. Juliana, you're out. $26,000. 26, 5 and a half. Sold it on phone call. $26,000. green light ride and drive that truck. 13 mile, a few highway miles with this good a rig as money can buy. Here we go. And what am I going to get for it? Tell me 10 grand. $1, $9,000 hitting it there. $8,000, $7,000 hitting it there. But it's 71. Now 2, 3 hitting it there. 73, 4, 5. 7,500, hit a bitty 5 to buy 74. $7,500, hit a bitty 500, hit there, green lights on, ride and drive that truck. $7,400, 7,500, siete mil quinientos, 7,500, $7,400, 75 to buy, hit a bitty 500, all and done, 74. $7,500, itty bitty 500, hands up, bids in 74. $7,500, itty there, 85 to buy, but 74 and 75. Nope, takes 8,500 to buy that. $11, $12, now $1,300, now $14, $15, $16, $17, $17 back. Would have been $1,700, $1,600, $1,700's all. Getting there, would have been $17 to buy, $1,600, $17 to buy. Mil siete, $1,700. Jose, you're out. Ride and drive, $1,600, 17, 18. $1,800, would have been 18 to buy. $1,800, $1,800 and a ride and drive. $1,800's all, would have been 17. $1,800, got it. Now $1,900. 18, 19, all in done. Sold. $1,800, gracias, senor. $1,800. Sign your invoice. Corporate board. A17 model and an F350. Here we go. Green lights on. What I'm going to give ride and drive hand. A pretty nice little truck. $15,000. $14,000 hitting it there. $12,000 hitting it there. Would have been on to buy. Here, $12,001. Hey, would have been on to buy. Would have been $12,000 hitting it there. Would have been on to buy. 11 grand. 10,000. 10,500. 10,500. Got it. Now 11. Now 5. 11.5, now 12, and again 12.5, now 13, now 5, now $14,000, 13.5, better get there, 13.6, 13.5, Bobby Williams, are you here? 13.6, 13.7, I believe so, there's our tell, 13.6, 13.7, 13.7, what about 7 about you in there, 13.6, 7, got it, 8. 13,890, got it. Now 14,000, 14,1, now 2, now 3, 14,3, 14,3, on back in there, 14,3, selling them are done. Got it, now 14,4, 14,5, now 14,6, 14,7, 14,7 to buy, but it was 7.5, sold it, $14,600.
I wonder how many miles that Equinox got.
Okay, here's one coming to you from Michelin Credit Union, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Green light goes on, ride and drive, runs, drive, shifts, does it all. Says green light on my ticket anyway. And here we go. Any kind of ride and drive, 75. $7,000 hitting there, $6,000 hitting there, one to buy. $6,100 hitting there, 1, 2, hitting there, whatever, 2 to buy, got it, 3, hitting there, 63, $6,200, $6,300, hitting 3 to buy, 62, $6,300's all, hitting 3 to buy, 17 miles, and the miles are good. Green lights on, ride and drive, 62, $6,300, $6,200, and 3 to buy, you've been 63. $6,200, you gotta be trained to buy 63. Nope, take 7 grand. Come on. good solid dead sled. Coming to you from Harry Coleman. Here we go. He's probably in Guatemala drinking tequila today. Here we go. Hank, what do we get for him? $2,021. Well, what do you get? 1,000, 1,100, 200, 300. $200. You look at the 83 divided with a 200. 2.5. $200. Here we get 50 divided with a 200. $100 bill. You look at there 150. 150. Did you get 150? Got it. Now 200. $200. Bust your piggy bank open and get in the car business. Now 250. 250. Would have been $200. Here you go there 200 quarter. 200. Would have been 225 and a half. Sold. $200 and a phone call. Sign him up. 200 and a phone call. Hey, green lights on here, folks. 12 model 166 on the miles and sale 7,500. Wow, it's a Beamer. Love everything about it. 7 grand 71. Set hook 45. Shot in the foot 4,600. Got it 47. 47 if I got it 8. Now 9. $4,900 hitting there, but down the back. Got it. Now $5,000. 5 half and now 5. $49.50. Now $5,000. Hitting there, getting $5,000. Officer, it's a good thing you're here. They're trying to steal my BMW. $5,000. Got it. Now $5,050. $5,000 50 to buy. You get 5,000. 5,050. You get 50 to buy. All in done. Sold. Eugene. $5,000. Hey, green light riding around this ring. And what do we give? $2,000. Could have been on the buy, would have been 100. 1,000. Now $1,100. Now 12. Could have been 1,200. Then $1,100. I hope he ain't waiting for me to get on for $1,200. $1,100. Now 12. But you there, but $1,200. I promise I'm gonna pay that back child support. $1,200. $1,100. Now 12. But you there, but $1,200. Got it. Now $1,300. $1,300. You get 13 by $1,200. Now $1,300. You get 13. Got it. Now $1,400. Is the owner of that car here? $1,300. $1,400. Got it. Now 15. Down 50. 15 and a half, and you get a ride and drive, sir. 1550. Is the owner of that car here? $1,500. You get there. 15 and a half. Nope. Takes a little bit more. 2,000. Okay, ride and drive that rig. It does come equipped with a reconditioned title. Anything with a reconditioned title, we got to put frame on the ticket. Here we go. And I'm a chairman of the give $7,500. $6,000. You get there, but if it on the buy, you get there. $5,000. You get there. One to buy, 50, 100, 5,000. 51. You get there. $4,000. You get there. 41, 2, 3, 43. 43 recon title. 43, 4, 5, 46, 47. 48, 49, 5 grand, $5,000 hitting it there, 5 to buy 40 is the owner of that truck here, 5,000. Got it, now 51. $5,000 hitting it there, the other Jose's out, 51. Now 52, now 53, $5,300 hitting it there, now 4, 5, $5,500 hitting it there, 54, 55 and a half, sold, phone call, 5,400. Hey, green lights on here, guys. Ride and drive. 15 model, 182 on the miles. What do we get? 4,041. $3,000. You get there, but we don't buy. You get 3,100. You get there. Ride and drive, yes sir. Full ride and drive. 3 grand. Got it. Now 31. $3,000. You get there, but we don't buy. You get 3,100. Now 2. 32 we got. Now 33. Now 34. $3,400. You get there. 4 to buy. 33. 34. $3,400. You get forward to buy $3,300. $3,400. Anybody get forward to buy $3,400. You're out on the front row, sir. You don't get that. Got it. Now 35. 3,500. 34. What you gonna do now? 35. 3,500. You're out, sir, and I'm selling. You want to get 35? Sold. $3,400. And the airbag's been blown on that little rig. We're going to tell you about that, and we're going to give it a ride to drive. We want you to know it. Airbag has been deployed. Here we go. Hand with a bit of game 65. $6,000. You get there with a bit on about it. Can you pull that door down? It's messing up my paperwork. And with a bit of game 5,051. $5,000. You get there with a bit on ride to drive. Airbag has been deployed. We're going to tell you about that. Other than that, you can ride and drive it. 45. Thank you. 46, got it. 47, 48, $4,800. Now 9, would have been down to buy. Now 5, you get there. Now 1, $5,100. You get there, would have been on to buy. You get $5,000. $5,100. You get there, would have been on to buy. You get $5,100. $5,000. You get there, $5,100. You get on to buy, and all that done. Sir, you're $5,000. I gotta have $6,500 according to this team. Thank you. Hey, ride and drive, clean title, everything's good. Guys runs, drives, shifts, does everything one's supposed to. Here we go, $6,500. $5,000. You look at there, would have been on to buy. $4,041. Hey, would have been on to buy. You look at there, $4,000. Hey, $4,100. Got it. Now 2. You look at there, now 3. You look at get $4,300. $4,200. You look at get 3 to buy. 42, 3, 4. 43, 4. Got it. Now 45. 45, we got 46. Got it, now 47. How about 46 and a half? What? Now 47. $4,700. You get down with a 7 about $4,650. $4,700 with a 7 and a half. Or now we get $4,650. I got $4,650. Sold $4,650. Hey, green lights on here, folks. Ride and drive 13 mile 11 Nissan Sentra 5500. Hit $5,000. You get in, gonna get on to about 4,041. $4,000. You get in, $3,100. 32, 3, 4, 35, $3,500. You get 35, $3,600. Now 7. Now 8. $3,800. $3,700.
More car rides. I'm gonna see what the bourbon going for real quick. It's so windy. Auction about over. It's so windy. Let's see what that bourbon going for. $6,600. Got it. Now 7. Now 8. 68. Got it. Now 9. $6,900 would have been down to buy. $6,900. You would have been $800 now 7. Got it. Now 71. $7,100. You would have been now 2. $7,200 would have been 2. You bid 2. Got it. 3. $7,300. You get 3 to buy 72. $7,300. You get 3 to buy 72. $7,300. You get 3 to buy Joaquin. You're out. 73. $7,200. 3 to buy Note takes $8,500. This is a rerun run. We got no ticket out that door. We don't have an invoice. We can't sell them. We got nothing to ride on.
ride and drive that little dumpling. Here we go. And we're going to give green lights on 35. $3,000 here to get there. We're going to be doing about $2,000 hand 2100. $2,000 hand one about. We're going to be 21 2. $2,200. $2,100 hand to get there. We're going to be to buy. We're going to get 200. All them done. $2,100. 20 to buy. Nope, takes way more. Sell this one here. $2,000. 21. $1,500. 16, 17, 18. $1,800 here to get there. We're going to be 18 to buy. $1,700. $1,800. Look at there, give it $1,800, $1,700. 18 about. Nope, takes way more. Here we go. Sell this one here. Little Nissan and a Jeep. Here we go. What are we going to sell it as? Need time belt, it says here. And $2,000, 21,000, 11, 11, 12. $1,200 here to get it. Got it. Now 13. $1,300 here to get there. You get 13 to buy. What about 1,300? $1,200. 13 back, got it. Now 1,400. $1,400. Here you go there, you get 13, 14. $1,400. Anybody get 14 by anybody else? 13, 14 and a half. Sold it, Sammy Brown. $1,300. Oh, here we go. Sell that little truck. It needs a water pump, guys. Turn the money light on, sell. I'll tell you what, ride and drive that truck. It needs a water pump. We're going to tell you about that. $3,000, 31. $2,000. Ride and drive, and it does need a water pump. $2,000, 21. $1,000 bill. Now live at about 11, 12. 12, we got now 13, 14, 15. $1,500. Got it. $1,600. Now 17. $1,600 would have been 17 to buy. $1,700. I'm going to get there with it 16. $1,700 would have been 17 to buy. $1,600. $1,700 and a half. Sold it on a phone call. $1,600. You don't want another call? Not a problem. Not a problem. There we go. Pay for it anyway. Here we go. 13 model here and a Ford Fusion. And ride and drive. 161 on the miles, 4,000. 41. You get there $3,000. Hey, one about 31, 2. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. $3,600, 7. 37, now 8, now 9. 39, about would have been 900. $3,800. 39, now 4. You get there now 1. You get there would have been on about $4,100. $4,000 hand one by getting 4,100. 4,000. 41. 4,050. All in done. $4,000. 4,050 to buy you to get 50. All in done. Nope, takes 4,500. Green lights on here, guys. Ride drive. What do we get? 4,500. Hit $4,000. Hit it there for $3,000. Got him in. 31. Hit it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36.